Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to administer magnesium sulfate in preeclampsia. Administering magnesium sulfate is a critical intervention to prevent eclamptic seizures, which can be life-threatening for both mother and baby. We begin with a loading dose, typically 4 to 6 grams, given intravenously over a period of 15 to 20 minutes. This initial dose helps to quickly achieve therapeutic levels in the patient's system, providing rapid protection against seizures. Following the loading dose, a continuous intravenous infusion is initiated to maintain therapeutic levels. The standard maintenance dose ranges from 1 to 2 grams of magnesium sulfate per hour. This steady infusion ensures ongoing seizure prophylaxis. It's important to continue this infusion for at least 24 hours after the patient's delivery or after their last seizure, whichever occurs later, to provide sustained protection. Patient safety is paramount during magnesium sulfate administration. Close monitoring is essential, including vital signs, urine output, and deep tendon reflexes. We must watch for signs of magnesium toxicity, such as decreased respiratory rate, absent reflexes, or lethargy. Should toxicity occur, calcium gluconate, the specific antidote, must be immediately available at the bedside. Administer 10 milliliters of a 10% solution intravenously over 3 to 5 minutes. Discontinuation of magnesium sulfate occurs either when the treatment period is complete or if signs of toxicity become evident. For patients with impaired renal function, dose adjustments are crucial to prevent accumulation and toxicity. Always assess kidney function before and during treatment. In rare cases where magnesium sulfate is contraindicated, alternative anticonvulsants may be considered, but magnesium remains the first-line therapy for preeclampsia.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.